What's up guys, welcome to J Set B. Today's video we're going to be working with this. This is called the lint eater. Basically what this does is clean the dryer ducts. So to get to this, you need to get behind the dryer. This is what we're going to work at. Doesn't look that bad, right? So the lint eater comes with, this is to clean the ducts here. It comes with these other attachments. So basically I start with pretty clean so far. I got a little bit of dirt. Last time I cleaned this was less than 6 months ago. So I just do it on a regular, that way you don't get that much dirt. I've done other people's homes and wow, it gets crazy. Well, we didn't get to see any dirt come down the duct because I cleaned it not too long ago. But I got a little bonus for you. This one has not been cleaned since we bought the house in 2 years. So, nobody even thinks about cleaning this either, too. Let me show you. This is where this comes from. This is the lint filter that goes right in here. Guess what? I took that much dirt out of there, but there's still more all the way down there. I gotta take this off, that way you're able to see it.
Look at that dirt. Never been clean.
see it in high def. It's clean now. And this is how much garbage was in there. Wow. Usually that comes out of there. But today you got to see this. So that tells you, besides cleaning the dryer vents, you need to clean the vents inside the dryer. From down there, place where you can't reach, you have to open it up. It's good to get one of these shop vacs. That way it helps you clean it out. And I used a shimmy wedge. That way I could get all the way down there. All right, check us out.